Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Fitri Absari Staningrum and my last ID number is 15. Today I would like to give example of morphemics cutting analysis. There are three words. Okay, the first word is unhelpful. Unhelpful, affording no aid, 1590s, from un, not plus helpful. A noun unhelp, lack of help, hindrance, is attested by mid-15th century. Late 14th century from help plus full. And here there is short explanation, but I will just read a bit to you. An, prefix of negation, Old English, and from Proto-Germanic, and source also of Old Saxon, Old Frisian, Old High German, German an, Gothic an, Dutch on, etc. Help, Old English help, helpe, assistance succor, from Proto-Germanic, helpo, source also of Old Norse help, Swedish job, Old Frisian helpe, Dutch hulp, Old High German helva, German hilfe, etc. Full, word forming element attached to nouns, and in modern English to verb stems and meaning full of, having, characterized by, also, amount or volume contained, etc. The morpheme cutting unhelpful is un plus help became unhelp, unhelp plus full became unhelpful, un plus help plus full. There are three morphemes. The root is help, which means to assist, un as prefix and full as suffix. How many morphemes in root? The word unhelpful consists of three parts: the prefix un, the root help, and the suffix full. The prefix of negation un means not or opposite of. The root help indicates the noun, means to assist or to provide support. The suffix full indicates the adjective suffix, means full of, having, or characterized by. The summary, unhelpful, there is one root word, is help, but the full word has three parts: a prefix un, a root help, and the suffix full. The next word is disappointment. In 1610s, defeat or failure of hope or expectation. From French, disappointment or else, a native formation from disappointment, meaning feeling of being disappointed, is from 1756, meaning a thing that disappoint is from 1756. Disappoint, mid-15th century, disappointed disposes of appointed office. From this, refers opposite of, plus appoint, or else from Old French disappointer, undo the appointment, remove from office, etc. Appoint, late 14th century, to decide, resolve, to arrange the time of a meeting, etc. Man, common suffix of Latin origin forming noun, originally from French, and representing Latin mensum, which was added to verb stems to make nouns indicating the result or product of the action, etc. The morphemic cutting disappointment is dis plus appoint became disappoint, disappoint plus ment became disappointment, dis plus appoint plus ment. There are three morphemes. The root is appoint, which means to arrange the time of something, this as prefix and ment as suffix. How many morphemes and root? The word disappointment consists of three parts: the prefix dis, the root appoint, and the suffix ment. The prefix of negation dis means reverse or opposite of. The root appoint indicates the verb, means to assign a job, a role, or to set a time for something. The common suffix ment indicates the noun suffix, mean the result or product of the action of the verb or the means or instrument of the action. The summary, disappointment, there is one root word. is a point, but the full word has three parts: a prefix this, a root a point, and a suffix man. And the last word is internationalization. In 1860s, with reference to law, see internationalization. Nation, 1,300, a race of people, large group of people with common ancestry and language, from old friends, nation, birth, rank, descendants, relative, country, and homeland, etc. All suffix forming adjective from nouns or other adjective of, like, related to, pertaining to, etc. National, of or pertaining to a nation or a country regarded as a whole, etc. International, 1780, coined by Jeremy Bentham, from inter, between, plus national in the phrase international jurisprudence. Isation, word forming element of Latin and Greek origin, making nouns of action, process, or state. Is, word forming element of Greek origin, used to make verbs. And action, the end of some nouns of action. The morphemicating internationalization is nation plus all became national, inter plus national became international, international plus is became internationalized, internationalized plus Asian became internationalization. Inter plus nation plus all plus is plus Asian. There are 5 morphemes. The root is nation, which means a race of people, inter as prefix, all is and Asian as suffix. How many morphemes and root? The word internationalization consists of 5 parts: the prefix inter, the root nation, and the suffix all, is, and Asian. The prefix inter means between or among. The root nation indicates the noun, means a large group of people who share a common identity, often based on culture, language, or territory. The suffix all indicates the adjective suffix, means related to or pertaining to. The suffix is indicates the verb suffix, means to make or to become. The suffix Asian indicates the noun suffix, means the end of some noun of action or process of. The summary, internationalization, there is one root word is nation, but the full word has 5 parts: a prefix inter, a root nation, and a suffix are all, is, and Asian. So that is the example from me. 3 words: unhelpful, disappointment, and internationalization. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.